My name is Marianne Schroeder, and I am the director of the UBC Cloud Innovation Center, or CIC. We were interested in sponsoring the CIC because it provided opportunities for work-integrated learning for students. We involve our students in every step of the innovation process. So they attend the Working Backwards workshops, they listen to the clients, they participate and listen in to all of the solutions workshops, and they are present at the bi-weekly check-ins with the challenge sponsor when we're building a working prototype. In addition, they work in a very cross-functional team. So we not only have technical students, we also have students who are learning project management skills in the CIC. And I think that is of significant benefit in terms of employment. It's very fulfilling to watch students come into the CIC and apply that knowledge in a very practical way, and then take that knowledge with them as they move forward.